We all know we have the spirulina or the nature's superfood spirulina. So one of the nature's amazing superfoods is spirulina. So it offers a simple, affordable, and effective way to help address malnutrition because it is packed with essential nutrients that our body needs every day. So spirulina is rich in high quality protein. So palagi namin sinasabi yan ni Dr. Ariel or even other doctors like Dr. Homer. Uh, well, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and chlorophyll. So these nutrients help support energy production, strengthen the immune system, maintain healthy muscles, and promote overall wellness. Okay, so the great thing about spirulina is that it provides a high amount of nutrition in a small serving, no? Making it both cost effective and convenient. So instead of taking multiple supplements, no? Sa daming supplement ngayon, baka yung iba, I just want to share, no, we have patients na ang dami-daming supplementation. We are nothing against that. Pero kung meron mang isang supplement na pwedeng makatulong, isa na po ito, si spirulina. The spirulina po kasi can help provide many important nutrients in one natural superfood. So, while spirulina is not a replacement for a balanced diet, it is an excellent nutrition supplement for people who need additional support, such as children with poor nutrition or busy professionals, older adults, and individuals recovering from illness. So, when combined with healthy lifestyle and proper nutrition, spirulina can be a valuable part of maintaining good health. Okay. So, what makes it special? Okay, so what makes spirulina different from other superfoods, no? First, spirulina is often described as being like a hybrid of a plant and an animal cell because of its exceptional and nutritional profile. Okay? It contains highly bioavailable nutrients that the body can easily utilized. So one of its biggest advantages is that it is quickly absorbed by the body within minutes. Okay? So this means the nutrients become available faster compared with many other foods and supplements. So another unique feature is its soft cell wall. No? Most plants have tough cellulose cell walls that are difficult for humans to digest. No? Spirulina, however, has a soft, easily digestible cell wall, allowing your body to absorb its protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants much more efficiently. So spirulina also contains a unique blue pigment called phycocyanin. I'll discuss it later, which gives its characteristic blue-green color. So this pigment is produced because spirulina can absorb a broader spectrum of sunlight for photosynthesis. Okay, so phycocyanin is also a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress and supports a healthy immune system. So finally, spirulina has an excellent safety profile. Sa mga nagtatanong po, no, it is recognized by the US Food and Drug or FDA as generally recognized as safe when produced under appropriate quality standards. So this means it has been evaluated for safety and is considered safe for consumption as a food ingredient. So these unique characteristics are why spirulina has earned its reputation as one of the nature's most nutrient-dense superfoods. Okay, I'll proceed with the next slide. Most for the least cost. So why is spirulina considered the most nutrition for the least cost? No? So one of the reasons spirulina is called a superfood is because it delivers an incredible amount of nutrients in a very small serving. Okay? Just 12 tablets of spirulina provide a concentrated source of essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, name it, plant protein, and phytonutrients, etc., making it one of the most nutrient-dense foods available in the whole world. Okay? To help you appreciate its nutritional value, here are some commonly cited nutrient comparisons. No? It provides nutrients comparable to about 1 kilogram of mixed fruits and vegetables. So it contains about 3 times more calcium and vitamin E than whole milk. So it has up to 48 times more iron than spinach. It provides about 9 times more potassium than many common vegetables. What else? It contains about 6 times more vitamin B12 than beef liver. Or even it has around 500 times more beta carotene than apples, or even perhaps carrots. No? So it contains about 15 times more vitamin B1 or the thiamine, 45 times more vitamin B12 or the riboflavin, and the 9 times more vitamin B3 niacin than strawberries. So it provides more vitamin C than lemons, and it contains more calcium than sardines. So saan pa tayo? Pag inom lang po pala natin ito, ang dami ng mga benefits. So ito po yung benefits ng spirulina. So napakaganda po, no? And not all spirulina brands are equal. Okay? So one important thing to remember is that all spirulina products are the same. Okay, bakit po? The quality of spirulina depends on where it is grown, how it is harvested, how it is processed, and how it is tested for purity. No? High quality spirulina, such as sa atin, nanocell spirulina, should come from, of course, reputable manufacturers, no? Like us. The tinitest natin ang contaminants, ano po ba yung mga tinitest natin kung minsan, heavy metals, bacteria, and other impurities, no? So when you choose a quality spirulina product, you're getting much more than just protein, no? You're getting a rich source of natural compounds that work together to support overall health. Okay, so why is spirulina so beneficial? So, spirulina is known to be an excellent source of essential nutrients. So, it helps also support a healthy inflammatory response. It supports a healthy immune system, provide a powerful antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. So, palagi namin sinasabi po ito ni Doc Myra and other doctors. No, it supports normal liver function as part of the body's natural detoxification processes. So it helps also the body manage oxidative stress caused by exposure to environmental pollutants. And the power of spirulina's natural pigments, as you can see. So one of the reasons spirulina is called a superfood is because it contains several natural pigments, no? Each with unique health benefits. Okay? So, ano po ito? Yung chlorophyll. So, meron po, yung spirulina po natin, meron pong chlorophyll. Or ano pong tawag natin dito? Nature's green cleanser. So, chlorophyll is the green pigment found in plants and algae. No? So, it helps support healthy blood formation and overall wellness, promote healthy digestion and bowel function, support a healthy immune system, and maintain healthy cells. Okay. For a while lang po, inom lang po ako saglit. Okay. Number 2 is the red carotenoids or the powerful antioxidants. So spirulina contains important carotenoids, no? Such as beta-carotene, beta-cryptoxanthin, lutein na ginagamit sa papalinaw ng mata, or even zeaxanthin or astaxanthin and lycopene. Okay? So these nutrients help protect cells from oxidative stress. So it support healthy skin. That is why kapag nag-spirulina din po tayo, parang glutathione yung effect. Okay? Nag-glow po tayo. So it promotes heart health, supports healthy joints. So pwede po natin ibigay ito sa kahit may mga osteoarthritis, no? And it helps maintain healthy vision because of the lutein, no? Meron din po tayong tinatawag na phycocyanin or the spirulina signature blue pigment, no? So phycocyanin is one of the spirulina's most unique compounds and has been widely studied. So research suggests it may support a healthy inflammatory response and it will act as a powerful antioxidant. It supports also tissue repair and recovery. So pwede po natin ibigay sa mga galing nagpa-opera, no? And be studied as a complementary nutritional component in cancer research, no? So, however, it should never be considered a treatment or cure. Just an adjunct therapy as of this time, no? So, kumbaga supportive nutrition po siya. Okay? And the yellow carotenoid. So these natural pigments are rich in provitamin A, which helps maintain healthy eyesight, support normal immune function. It promotes healthy weight management when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. So, pwede rin po pala natin makonsider ito na natural Ozempic or natural Monjaro, no? So, ngayon po kasi medyo uso yung mga peptides na tinutusok po natin para pumayat. Well, ito pang spirulina, sabi nga natin, because of the yellow carotenoids, no? It promotes a healthy weight management. So kung gusto po nating magpapayat, well, we take spirulina. And of course, it supports healthy bones as well. So, okay, next slide. So what are you feeding your body? So every day we make choices about what we put into our bodies. No? The question is, are we simply filling our stomachs or are we truly nourishing ourselves? No? So our bodies need the right nutrients to produce energy, strengthen our immune system, repair damaged tissues, and protect us from disease. That's why choosing nutrient-dense foods such as spirulina is important. Okay? Why spirulina? So nakikita po natin dito, it's nutrient-packed, no? So spirulina is one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods in nature. So it provides high-quality plant protein, essential vitamins or even minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients in a small serving. So helping nourish our body from the cellular level. That is why sabi po natin kanina, pwede po natin ibigay ito kahit any age, no? And kung galing sa operation, kung meron mang cancer, pwede po natin siyang bigyan ng spirulina. Okay? And it's rich also in powerful antioxidants. So, spirulina contains antioxidants as phycocyanin, yung diniscuss po natin kanina, or even carotenoids, chlorophyll, and other plant compounds that help protect cells from oxidative stress caused by pwedeng pollution, unhealthy lifestyle, or even normal aging. Ano pa po, it supports natural energy or it boosts energy. So because it is rich in iron, no? B vitamins. So it's more on to support also normal energy production, healthy muscle function, and overall vitality. And of course, pure and safe po siya. So high quality spirulina in nanocell is 100% pure. So it's free from unnecessary additives and manufactured under a strict quality standards. So choosing a reputable brand such as Nanocell ensures receive a clean, safe, and nutrient-rich product. Okay.